Welcome back to Faith Explorations. Today we're here at Hotpot Di Focolare, a brand new restaurant opened by Joseph Tay at Techview in Kaki Bukit. Joseph isn't just serving hot pot, he's serving it with heart. From his past experiences running House of Hotpot in Marsiling to starting again with fresh courage, Joseph has woven his faith deeply into his business. So let's dive in.
Joseph, congratulations on opening Hotpot Di Focolare. Then 你可以跟我们 share 一下为什么你会开这个 restaurant？
之前有开过，但那时候大中度因为2024年is actually quite a bad time for F&B, so we actually have been cut loss. And it's happening that actually the landlord in this area, it's also my customer, and they tested the say, hey, why not you
过来这边。
try open up here lah. So that time I was at the point whether what should I be doing next lah? Whether should I continue this type of business together, or should I just go back into the industry, sit it out on my yeah. So after much thinking, then it's open up.
Then 你给我介绍什么汤，还是什么 special ingredient 的？
Everything 都好吃every time. I mean, this one I have to give credit to the chef over here, because he's actually the one who created all the soup. But his 8 years of experience he's still 在这边. So actually everything is handled structural. But if you ask me something that actually
你自己最喜欢的
I think that my daughter 最喜欢的 I think must try the mala.
？OK，
Mala, not my daughter like, but the mala is good. In way of the spices we use, as well as the tomato soup.
麻辣跟 tomato
Yeah,
paste。
because tomato soup, I had to peel the tomato skin one by one. Every time 3-4 kilos I just peel.
How old is your daughter?
My daughter 6 years old.
6 years old, can eat mala.
No, she don't eat mala, she eat the
Oh.
tomato soup. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She don't eat mala.
And then I think, wow, 6 years old can eat mala, quite,
Yeah lor.
quite powerful.
But mala is actually one of the ones that we know 比较多水蒸control. Yeah.
水蒸团是什么？
因为的 spices 我没有，
对，
我们用的是我们有找过的那种 spices， 比如说这个省的花椒，这个省的藤椒，我们去采购之后，再拿这个来做。
OK， 那时候你讲的那个 hotpot 是那个 Marsiling 的啦，以前的。
呀，是
Then-
在马斯那边。
在那边你有什么 like learning point
哦
that help you with 开这次的 business？
I think back then I didn't pay enough. I did not pay enough over there because you always think that okay 啦，一个人可以做到完咯，什么都可以自己的。Then
可以打天下。
人讲人定胜天啦。不过 then you realize actually sometimes when you feel that you are too good already, actually you're not very good lah. Because you still lose out to the trend, the markets over here. As we know 2024 is also quite a bad time for F&B. And people are cutting out spendings. And the location that we happen to be, we underestimate the demographics of the people lah.
OK， 明白。
是。
哎，你觉得这边，你觉得为什么会有一个 opportunity 呢？
其实我们也没有抱着很大的他的尽量的一个心态。First thing first is actually we generally have a group of customers who really like our papers over here. And he asked us, when are you guys opening? When are you guys opening over here? So 我们觉得说关掉有可惜。And back then when we actually started off previous venture over here, we also have a couple of investors over here 啦。所以我觉得是说，你关掉就完全没有嘛，那不如就转个地方也试试看，whether we can do something with the audience, see whether it can turn around, and turn around 这样就好了。
我一个东西很给博很想问的，就是你叫这个 restaurant Hotpot Di Focolare 嘞，but then 你其他的那些founder 跟你一起做 business 他会不会反对？
不会，因为 this Hotpot Di Focolare is entire 自己的venture， 也就是说 actually 我是自己办 this project 都会给他上。
OK。
所以前面那些 founders 或者是那些 partners they actually still within the share in the whole company.
哦，
Maybe 他们是那个做 supply 给我们熟的东西，呀，然后我们是这样做法。Because this Hotpot Di Focolare 我的 intention 是 to move towards the direction of social enterprising.
然后 in Focolare right 有这样东西叫economy of community right，
啊，
so 你是不是要让这个 business 变成 that being subscribe to that idea 或者是
Yes, I mean, in fact, I'm learning to be I'm a student of EOC now. Learning, yeah. So actually, I was a student as in student itself. Actually, you just talk to a person who's very well versed about this concept, this ideas and there. And we find you from there, just find you in there. Basically, economic community is also being like paying fair wages. What we have some social impact by over here. Most importantly, 他们讲的是说 you must be profitable as a business first. How you actually deals with 那些 cash flow, revenues, 他们有一些 structured ways of actually doing them. Because for us like faith-based 的这种 business 很多时候我们就说give 100%, give 100%if people ask for $1, you give them $1,000 they count. In the end, the starter 就是我们这种small medium enterprise. But with the EOC structure over here, it actually helps us to streamline what should we be doing, 什么东西应该是要怎么 sustain. And then what I like about it 是 there's this part of the business you must sustain and survive first before you do good or do charity. 所以 I thought that's viable.
very good very good good answer。
那你为什么会去想 add 这个 Focolare 去那个东西？
Oh yeah, actually, I was at one point in time I want to restart this business because generally have customers who relax me. But I have customers traveling all over from Yishun, does come here to just eat two person hotpot meal every week right now.
Every week 耶。
Yeah,
哇
actually. 老顾客这样子。So I mean, is to really have a place for 老顾客 to serve them. This is one thing. Then this comes another thing because this is a separate entity. You want to do it along the side of social enterprising in my right. I mean, informing in that directions. 因为就讲，但是我名叫什么名字好，这种名字好。Then it just happened that period of time I was actually attending a retreat. Organized by Focolare.
Mariapolis
In Marsiling. Yes, okay. Then in there, there's a lot of discernment, and you know when you're just thinking to be or not to be, then suddenly everything, the sign align, this customer like 尊重刚好 everything like okay. So I just say okay lah do. Then one interesting thing for Focolare, if you ask what does it mean in Italian, it's actually called fireplace. Right. Then hotpot in the Chinese culture is called for fire. So when I talk to the members there, they say, wow, lucky guys, double fire. You burn even better. Yeah. And what I also feel very young is actually Focolare is the reason is actually unity. 火锅团圆
right.
You see unity. That's why I say everything just like 很
交在一起。
交在一起 yeah, 这种不谋而合啊 yeah, they just like come together. So I said, okay, why not that? Then I check it through, 没有人用过这个名字 then 因为 impeachment right, okay 啦 yeah.
Okay lah, as long as the member are okay with it I think.
And I think the beautiful part is actually there's one episode where there's a stranger we just walk in here and just look at this and say from the word the naming I know you are related to Catholic.
Oh.
Wow.
So I say, wow, good. Then in the end, when you have a deeper part over here, actually we are from the same parish church 50 years ago.
Huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
Funny.
Yeah.
but the person is not Focolare.
It's not Focolare.
Ah.
It's somewhere here.
Recognize the word lah.
Yeah. And the thing is actually, I said, oh yeah, I'm now not in church anymore, never go to church anymore.
Wow.
But I'm going to see school over here. And we'll stay in touch.
Wow.
Yeah.
那你只要拉回来，用你的 hotpot。
用啦，let him do the work 啦，算太
你 just 专门 just 各种足球好了。
对。
Then 那时候你有跟我讲那个 Bible verse 哦，
嗯，
你为什么会想到用那个 first？
哪一个 Bible first？
那个你的招牌上面那个。
哦，招牌那边的 Bible first，那个是因为 actually Focolare the experience actually focus on maybe all be one is John 17:21 something like this. Yeah, so obviously when you want to be in the public setting, you don't be too you must be religion sensitive as well.
啊，对了。
So I just modify it a little bit so when they have a good meal, where every meal brings everybody together. The concept of togetherness is one of the spiritual Focolare.
在佛国那边 join 多久了？
哦，我跟你讲说，我是25多，刚刚那个，sorry，但是when I was in my youth over here, I was actually associated, but I get exposed to Focolare. So back then they're called Youth for United World. So at first I thought, okay, Focolare is just a random name, some just come up with a name with. But then you realize actually it's actually something bigger than that. There is a movement, a worldwide movement. But I mean, back then, when something happens in the parish church over here, the youth group dismantle here, then in the end, people just know they will go away. For 20 years, we never get in touch with it. And this last year, when downturn, you have all the low points in life. For some reason over here, this Focolare come back. Appeared in their life over here. And even the most amazing part is actually they say for the past 10 over years, they actually moved the operation out of Singapore to move to Vietnam.
Yes.
Right? And this recently they moved back to Singapore. And as we know, they move around whenever the country needs them.
Yeah.
So I thought, wow.
但是他也跟我讲过，来，他有那个 Foodmakase redemption voucher。
Oh yeah.
Foodmakase.
Yeah, so basically Foodmakase 是我这个entity 的名字。
哦。
所以Focolare, Hotpot Di Focolare is just a name, just in case 人家讲 you cannot use this name, I can still change 嘛。Okay, but 就这样子。所以what we do that is actually is a pay forward initiative over here. Well, 我们就是会if you want to do something for the needy, you can just donate $10. I'll match it up to provide them a hotpot meal worth $16.90. Then we just serve with no question asked. We serve them with proper utensils, hot pots, nice personal pot. We have a barbecue pile. It's just like you serve the Jesus in them. You just want to serve somebody. And a lot of people just ask, how you find who qualified to do it, right?
对。
As long as 你敢开那个 just I want a meal 我就给你了 no charge me. Because I put the box there, I just put whatever people donate 放那边。你来那边如果说你要 I want to minimize 太多了 unnecessary verbal 就是说 I want redeem. In fact, I'll just do it for you. I won't ask you why, I won't ask you get more into your life and stuff like this.
How do they find out about this?
Through word of mouth, maybe through this channel, so yeah, whoever are welcome. And there's also one way of God providence because all these people who donate over here, I just tell them I'm running this project over here. Everything is written there. Just look through. If you like it, donate. You don't like it, it's fine. It's okay.
你懂就好了。
你觉得你如果in tune with the concept 的话 you just do 咯。Yeah, and I feel that there's a way of got confidence to bring around. I mean, I myself can only do this little. Sometimes the more you say, the more wrong you get. So I say, you see, wait, I'm running this summarized plan. That's ChatGPT.
哎，你有没有怕好像人家 abuse 那个 system？
Yeah, you're answerable with what. And when you define the need, it depends on how need. But I mean, some people may be financial needs. One for them可能是 emotion needs. So I just want to have a nice meal. 我自己可能被老板骂了，我想人家做一个 comfort meal 的时候，但 OK 啊。I mean, at the end of the day, what you get the loss? Getting lost 的 But 如果你可以给一个人带一份温暖，又开心 I think it's worth it 啊。It's just worth it. Fellowship.
Yeah,
The concept of fellowship 这样子，所以我觉得but rather so sometimes if 人家没有 redeem 的时候，我会觉得不懂。Yeah, so I'm not thinking of ways I can work with my charitable organizations and find maybe 一个老people 这样子，他们who serve the needy 啦 in their organizations. Yeah. 对，因为 these are also trust that the public plays upon you. It's also a heavy responsibility. You need to have certain form of accountability as well. And small businesses 来的，我们也没有什么东西来 keep track 什么东西啦，所以 we just really do some once a month. It's really just do the best we can.
Thank you, Joseph, for sharing your story with us today. If you would like to support Joseph's mission, you can visit Hotpot Di Focolare here in Kaki Bukit or take part in his other initiatives like the frozen food outreach. People like Joseph reminds us that our work and our faith doesn't have to be separate. They can nourish not only just ourselves, but also the community around us. Continue with your holy hustle. Thank you for watching Faith Explorations. I'm Joy. See you in the next episode.